Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the traffic jam stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 21 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're going to make 1 chain to skip 1 chain, and then into the next one you're going to make 2 double crochet. We're now going to start our sequence from here. Make a chain. You're going to skip 2 chains. And into this next one, you're going to make 2 half double crochet. Make a chain to skip 2 chains, and then into the next one, you're going to make 2 double crochet. Make a chain to skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make 2 half double crochet. Make a chain to skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make 2 double crochet. Make a chain to skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make 2 half double crochet. Make a chain. You're going to skip 1 chain, and then into the last chain of your row, you're going to make a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to be making the same sequence that we made in our last row. We're just going to be working into these open spaces until we reach the last stitch. So into this first open space of our row, make 2 half double crochet. Make a chain to skip over these stitches, and then we're going to work into this next chain space or open space. Make 2 double crochet into that next open space. Chain 1 to skip the next stitches, and into this next open space make 2 half double crochet. Chain 1 to skip the next stitches, into this next chain space make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 to skip over the next stitches, into this next chain space make 2 half double crochet. Chain 1 to skip over this next set of stitches, into this next open space make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 to skip this last set of stitches, into this last open space make 2 half double crochet. When you reach the last stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how big you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the traffic jam stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.